Before we dive deep into this car, we need to know what we're working with. I mean, we need to make sure that the car is even worth it to be worked on. So one of the ways is we have to do a deep clean on the outside and inside, and also we have to check the motor. It's like this is essential because if this car is not even worth putting so much money into it, then why work on it? So let's get to that right now. I had to make a little stop at Walmart to get me some of this right here because this car smells, so I can't really work on it too well. Get this, it's cheap, it's about $7. Let it go off in the car. Hopefully it makes a lot smell better. I mean, hopefully it will smell like wild cherry. Hey, this is better than smelling what it is right now, so let's go. Alright, so at the end, is this car worth working on it? Yes, but there's a but. The but is, it really depends on the circumstance. As you can probably see right now, I have this car apart. Like, almost everything inside the interior is taken apart because I have to deal with the little mold situation. If you were in the same boat as me, where you get this car for free, and you have to deal with the mold stuff, most people are gonna really not want to deal with it, which I totally understand because it does require a lot of work before you even get it to driving. But let's say in a regular scenario where you bought a cheaper car or you got a car for free and inside wise it's fine and it just needs a little bit of work to drive it better, I think it's worth it. You know, today most people just need something from point A to point B. Does it need a decent amount of work? Yes, but for me, end of the day, I got it for free. Does it look pretty? No. Does the inside look pretty? Heck no. But is it doable? Can I work with it? Yes. I didn't start this project spending some money. Because at the end of the day, the most important thing is this car does this. It starts right up, and I'm pretty sure with a little bit of work, we can get this car driving pretty good. So I guess we're doing a mini series on the Honda Civic.